Good morning, children. I welcome all 6th standard students to Sri Narayan Guru High School online class. This is Meena teacher going to teach English subject for you. Today we are going to learn grammar, English grammar. Our topic is parts of speech, word classes. Now, what is meant by parts of speech? In English language, words are divided into different classes according to the function they perform in a sentence. These words are called word classes or parts of speech. Parts of speech plays a very important role in English grammar. It helps you to analyze the sentences and construct good sentences in English. So, we will learn parts of speech one by one. There are 8 main parts of speech in English language. Noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and the last one is interjection. Let us study in detail. First one, noun. What is noun? A noun is a word which is used as the name of a person, place, animal, thing or idea. Look at the example. House, teacher, cup, shop, boy, girl, etc. Now read the sentences. First one, my teacher is a very nice person. Second sentence, Ravi is a good boy. My teacher is a very nice person. In this sentence, noun is teacher. Why? Teacher is representing a person. Second one, Ravi. Then boy. Second sentence, 2 nouns are there. Ravi is a proper noun. Boy is a common noun. Boy is representing a person. Ravi is a name of a person. Second parts of speech. Verb. What is meant by verb? Verb describes an action or experience. For example, run, walk, eat, talk. Look at the sentences given below. First one, Sita ran to school because she was late. Which is the action word here, children? Ran. So, ran is the verb in this sentence. Look at the second sentence. John loves to bake cookies. Bake is the verb in this sentence. Next one is adjective. Adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Means all describing words are called adjectives. Example, short, beautiful, red, good, old. Now look at these sentences. First one, Rama is a big boy. In this sentence, which is adjective? Anything describing noun here? Yes, big. Big tells what kinds of boy Rama is. So, big is adjective here. Look at the second sentence. Govind is poor but honest. Here 2 adjectives are there. The 2 adjectives are, one is poor, another one is honest. Why this is called adjectives? Because poor and honest tells what kind of man Govind is. The fourth parts of speech is adverb. It describes a verb, an adjective or adverb. The adverb tells us how often, how, where or when. In simple way we can say adverb is adding something to the meaning of a verb. Example you see, slowly, yesterday, always, carefully, daily. Look at the first sentence. Geeta goes to school daily. In this sentence, daily is adverb. Why? The word daily is added to the verb goes to tell when Geeta goes to school. Like that, pick out the second one, which is the adverb here. Yes, up is the adverb here. Why? Up is the word added here to tell where the child looked. Okay. The next one is pronoun. It replaces a noun in a sentence. It is a word which is used instead of a noun. For example, I, she, our, they, you, it, he, etc. Look at the first question. Radha is a very good friend. She always helps me with my homework. In the first sentence, Radha is a noun. In the second sentence, I told you she. Okay. So, to avoid repeating noun again and again, we are using pronoun. You can visit the shopping center at 1 o'clock. Here, which is the pronoun? You. The next one is preposition. Preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show on what relation the person or thing. Example, under, above, in, on, with, of. Look at the first sentence. The cat jumped over the box. Here, over is the preposition. Why? Because over is the word showing the relation between the cat and the box. Followed. Second sentence you see, children. Father is not at home. Here, tell me which is the preposition? Yes, at. At is showing the relation between father and home. So, preposition in this sentence is at. The next one is conjunction. A conjunction is a word that join words or sentences together. Example, and, but, so, or. First sentence you see, he is a clever but lazy boy. But is the conjunction over here. It is a joining word. Second one, she is a kind and loving mother. And is the joining word here. So it is a and is a conjunction here. Yes, children, the last one is interjection. An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling of the mind, such as joy, sorrow, surprise, anger, etc. It is followed by an exclamation mark. Example, wow, oh, hello, alas. Look at these words. After all these words, exclamatory mark is there. Now, we will see the sentences. First one, wow, the view is amazing. In this, wow is interjection. Second one, oh, what a beautiful flower. This sentence is showing sudden feeling or sudden expression here. Oh, after oh, exclamatory mark is there. So this word is interjection over here. Children, that's all about the parts of speech. Hope you are all clear with the concepts. Please learn and practice for better understanding. Stay home and stay healthy. God bless you all. Thank you.